Here's another skincare na pwede po sa inyo, lalo na po sa mga mommies na super busy at laging nagmamadali. Ngayon po, we have this powerful duo kasi dalawa lang sila. Ito na po ang ating Atomy Hydra Brightening Care Set. Our capsule essence, ito na po ginagamit natin na toner. It combines with the essence. So, ang napakaganda dito ay mas lalong namo-moisturize yung skin natin. And you will feel fresh with no stickiness and it has long-lasting moisture. Our Atomy Hydra Brightening Capsule Essence, it has a brightening capsule special treats. Yun po yung mga micro-capsules. Sa mga gumagamit na po ng ating Hydra set, nanonotice nyo ba yung mga beads na mafe-feel mo sa skin mo pag ina-apply mo na siya? Yun po ay mga microcapsules. These microcapsules reduce the moisture care and increase moisturizing energy. And it has combined function of toner and freshness of toner and the nutrients of essence. So, merong pang blue na color, napapansin nyo. Yun po ang Aqua Moisture Toner and Aqua Moisture Serum. At yung white na yan is a capsule essence. These microcapsules also supply a moisture. It has an active ingredients such as microcapsule vitamin E are not destroyed and help to safely reach the skin. With the synergy of base and microcapsules, it helps locking up the moisture. And kung napapansin niyo po, our Atomy Hydra Brightening Cream is pink color. Bakit kaya? Because the power of pink moisture is from vitamin B12. This pink antioxidant energy from vitamin B12 plus a complete care for skin barrier with skin-friendly substance. The power of pink moisture from vitamin B12 has a strong antioxidant effect that maintains a healthy and bright skin. This vitamin B12 has a strong multi-care and antioxidants. It also helps to boost immune system and it also repairs the DNA and it also boosts metabolism and vitamins with minerals. And it also regenerates the cells. The premium moisture supply for tired skin ay galing po dito sa ating birch tree sap and sea buckthorn extracts. These two ingredients helps improve the skin elasticity and skin protection. And it also helps care for sensitive and dry skin with soothing effect. And it adds coolness and freshness to skin. And the sea buckthorn extract benefits, it contains abundant of vitamin C and E, omega-3, 6, and 9. It also helps moisturize skin and helps the skin whitening and wrinkle care, and it also improves elasticity. Our Hydra Brightening Cream, it has a very nice fragrance of fresh fruity flowers that makes the fresh fruit smells good. It also makes your skin smell irresistible. Galing po ito sa lemon, lime, mango, apple, jasmine, floral note, and musk. Ngayon po, I'll be showing you our facial demo to our Atomy Hydra Brightening Set. At sinali ko na rin dito ang ating evening care set for a total care for our beauty regimen. And here's the video. Para po maging maganda ang kalalabasan ng ating skincare na ina-apply natin, dapat nating linisan ang ating mukha gamit ang ating Atomy Evening Care Set. Deep hydration, here's another skincare, our Atomy Hydra Brightening Set. First to apply is our Hydra Capsule Essence. After cleansing our face, take an appropriate amount and gently apply over the entire face and melt the microcapsules. Our Hydra Brightening Capsule Essence is a combined toner and essence. After using the capsule essence, apply evenly over the entire face our Hydra Brightening Cream. If you notice the color to our Hydra Brightening Cream, it has a power of pink color from vitamin B12. Our Hydra Brightening Cream has a premium moisture supply for tired skin. It helps hydrate your skin even more. And it also has a fruity fragrance. And now, here's the beautiful result of our Hydra Brightening Skincare Set.